How's it going, everyone? Eagle Lockpicking here, and today we have the Opnus mmxii Black Belt 4. I was just showing the key works. I'm gonna do a 50 thou in the corner, and then a Jimmy Long medium hook. And I did not say anything in this video because I have not had any luck opening this, and doing an intro for it was getting tiresome after the first many times that I've tried to pick this lock. I decided to just go for it, and that's why I am not where I normally am picking. I'm normally at my desk, but I wasn't going to pick this thing without it being on video, and I'm in my on-call room in the hospital and just was playing around, so there's like no sound to this, but just watch and please like this video and just check out my reaction to the open. Anyways, enjoy the pick. Holy shit, it opened. It is open. You see that? Oh, whew. It is turned sideways. I mean, you can... Oh. I have been working on this lock for 2 months, maybe. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Hold on. Sorry. Let me. All right. I am shaking and my camera is on my knee. Let's take off these bolts. They're going right on my lap. Spicy, if I lose them, I'm just gonna buy new nuts for it, new screws. I didn't even talk through this whole thing because the whole time I've never opened it. So, all right, top goes off. You got this little part right here, and then the lock comes out. That was a little spring for the back plate. There's your back plate. And then, I know you probably can't see this. I'll turn it around and use my flashlight for it. But there is my sidebar. And I am going to set that off to the side. Sidebar. And then I got two little springs here that I really don't want to lose. I'm going to leave them in. I'm going to flip the camera around and show. I need a flashlight to show this. But anyway. Well, actually, I have pretty good lighting there. So, I have 14 levers. I know I don't have to completely gut it because I don't know how in this lock. Let me see. I'm going to flip it around and give us a close-up with some lighting here. Alright, so let me get a focus on here. There we go. Okay, here's all of our levers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is down there. You might not be able to see it very well. And then on the other side, there is keep missing one here. One, you can't really see it. It's all the way in that corner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 is this one right here. And I'm just gonna give a shout out. Thank you, Spicy Nugs, for sending me this. Thank you, Side Picks, for giving me tips on it and just overall knowledge on this lock. Sorry, the camera is sitting on my stomach and you might actually see my heart beating out of my chest right now. I did not think I would ever get this open, no matter how close I thought I was. So this was the Opnus mmxii, and now I am going to put it back together. Thank you.